Hello students, welcome to this lecture, lecture number 27. This is D.P. Dwivedi, your mathematics teacher, students of class 9th. We are continuing our chapter 6, lines and angles. Okay students, and in this exercise, in this video, we have exercise 6.2. So students, I hope you would remain healthy in your homes, and you would have been trying to do good practice of mathematics, and I hope you have watched previous videos, and you have been solving different questions belonging to these exercises. So okay students, we have taken fifth question of 6.2. Some questions we have already solved in this video, in this exercise. So students, here we have question 5, in which AB parallel CD, two lines are parallel and angle APQ 50 degree, angle PRD 127 degree, and we have to find X and Y. So students, these are given things. Okay students, with the help of given, we have to find X and Y. So students, from figure, X is equal to 50 degree. Think why X is equal to 50 degree. We have AB and CD both are parallel lines, and shape APQR is like a Z shape is there. So these angle are alternate interior. So both angles are equal. These angles are equal because of these are alternate interior angles. Okay students, so first of all we have obtained the value of X. We can write in other words like angle APQ is equal to angle RQP. Students, we can write this also. Now students, see line CD, CRD, this is a line, and one angle is given 127. Let this angle be Z. So let angle QRP is equal to Z degree. Okay. Now we know straight angle is STRAI, GST, straight angle is always 180 degree. Okay. At point R, QRD, we can say there are linear pair of angles. We have two angles, Z and 127. The sum of both the angles must be equal to 180. Thus we can say Z plus 127 is equal to 180 degree. Okay students, Z is equal to 180 minus 127 degree, and you can get after subtracting 3, 5 and 53. So okay students, so Z is 53. Question arises, what is Z? Z is angle PRQ. We can say angle PRQ. Okay students, Z is not asked, but with the help of Z we will find X and Y. Now students, in triangle PQR, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So in this triangle PQR, we can say X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree. And X is here 50 degree, Y is unknown, Z is here 53 degree. Okay students, now with the help of these values, we can find the value of Y. 50 and 53, it becomes 103 plus Y is equal to 180. Therefore Y is equal to 180 minus 103. After subtracting You will get 10 minus 3, 7, 17 minus 10, I think 77 degree. तो स्टूडेंट्स y is 77 degree and your answer x is 50 degree. तो I hope you have understood. Okay students, तो write this solution. तो स्टूडेंट्स now we have topic angle sum property of a triangle. We have a theorem to prove that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So students, this theorem is very important, and it may be possible that this theorem may be asked in your coming examination. And since previous classes, you know the sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degree, but here we will prove how it become. How it is possible that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. To start students, first of all we should have a triangle. Let B have a triangle AB. Sorry students. Let B have a triangle ABC. Point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Okay students. Proof. We have triangle ABC. ABC, you know, are vertices. Start students, proof, and we have to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree students. हमें ये प्रूव करना है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. कंस्ट्रक्शन रिक्वायर्ड. ड्रा XA Y पैरेलल टू BC. इट मीन्स हम यहाँ से BC के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रा करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. ऐसे इसको नाम दे दिए X Y. तो दिस लाइन XAY, द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट A XAY विच इज पैरेलल टू लाइन BC के पैरेलल है ये. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेम द एंगल्स हियर. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. So students, these are the angles. Okay. Now students, okay, proof given XAY parallel to BC. So angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Why students? Because these angles are alternate interiors and you know both angles are equal. 4 is equal to 2 and 5 is equal to 3. Okay students, both are alternate interior angles. Okay, now at point A, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. ये क्यों ऐसा हुआ है? Because line XAY exists there, तो sum of angle 4 plus 1 plus 5 becomes 180 degree. Okay students, we know, आप इसका रीजन दे सकते हैं. स्ट्रेट एंगल इज देयर. स्ट्रेट एंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी कैन पुट एंगल 4 इज एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 5 की जगह क्या रख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? एंगल 5 कैन बी रिटन एज एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यूजिंग, यहाँ आप लिख सकते हैं आप, यूजिंग एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2, एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3. आप देखिए इसको लिख सकते हैं angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, student. And you know angles 1, 2, 3 are nothing but angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, students. So this is proved, and this is called angle sum property of triangle. We have proved, students, by this method you can prove that sum of three angles of a triangle, three interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, students. Now write down this proof. Now, students, we have exercise 6.3. Sorry, students, we have 6.3, and these questions means the questions in exercise 6.3 are based on angle sum property of triangle, students. Okay, so in this question, in this diagram, given SPR 135, SPR and PQT 110, angle PQT, and we have to find PRQ. PRQ means this one. So, okay, students, first of all, we have suppose some angles. Let this angle be x degree, this will be y degree, and this will be z degree. So first of all, let angle PRQ is equal to x degree, angle RPQ is equal to y degree, and angle PQR is equal to z degree, students. Now you know where there is a straight angles, that is the pair of linear angles, they will make 180 degree. Here at point P, the sum of y plus 135 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, at point Q, the sum of z plus 110 is equal to 180 degree, because in both the points there is a linear pair of angle. We know we have linear pair of angles, that is straight angle, and which is always equal to 180 degree. Thus we can say y plus 135 is equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. It becomes, I think 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 45 degree. And similarly, angle at Q, z plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, z is equal to 180 degree minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. So, students, we have the value of z and y. Y is 45 degree and z is 70 degree. Okay, students. Now, with the help of these value, we will find the value of x using angle sum property of triangle, students. So, look here. Now, I hope you have written it. Now, in triangle, which triangle? PQR. In triangle PQR, by angle sum property, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 1 degree. Okay, students, because these angles are interior angle of triangle PQR. Putting the values of y and z, y is 45, z 70. So angle x plus 45 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 180. Okay, students. Now x plus 45 and 70, I think 115 degree is equal to 180 degree, student. Now x is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree, and you can get the value after subtracting 115 degree from 180 degree. So students, you can write 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. So x is your answer. So students, here we have the value of x, that is we can write here PRQ, angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. Okay students, so this is your answer. Now students, I hope you have understood. Try to write. Okay students, so write the solution. So students, now we have third question of 6.3. In this question, AB and D both are parallel given. Angle BAC 35 degree, BAC, and angle CDE 53 degree. And we have to find angle DCE. DCE means students, DCE means X. So we have supposed that let angle DCE is equal to X degree, and angle DEC is equal to Y degree students. Okay. Now we have AB parallel D. So Y is equal to 35 degree. Students, think about these lines. AB and DE are parallel. AE is a transversal, then 35 is equal to Y, because both angles are alternate interior. These equals are because alternate interior angles are equal. Okay students, so we have Y is equal to 35. Now in triangle CDE, okay students, think about the triangle in which three interior angles AX, 53 and Y are there. The by angle sum property of triangle, sum of AX plus Y plus 53 is equal to 180. X plus Y plus 53 is equal to 180 degree. by एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी आप लिख भी सकते हैं by एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यूज y is 35, तो x plus 35 degree plus 53 is equal to 180. Add these, x plus 88 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay students, now subtracting, x is equal to 180 minus 88 degree. Subtract these and you will get, I think, 92 degree. So angle DCE is equal to, DCE को हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, DCE that is x, which is equal to 92 degree. Your answer. So students, this is the solution. I think in each and every case we are using angle sum property of triangles and angles like alternate interior. So you need to learn the application of angles like alternate, corresponding, vertically opposites and co-interiors with angle sum property of triangle students. Okay, write down the solution. So students, here we have question number 5. In this question, students, P, Q, S, R, T are there and PQ is perpendicular PS. ये जो PQ है ये PS पे perpendicular है, ये that is यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री है. Okay students, and PQ parallel SR, PQ parallel SR, and we have given SQR 28 degree, SQR and QRT 65. Find x and y students. So students, here we have a diagram and we have to find the value of x and y. So okay students, if we think about these two parallel lines, then we can find the value of x and y. So student, start solving. So students, here we have the diagram. तो लेट अस सपोज दैट द एंगल SRQ भी z डिग्री, इसको आप जनरेट कर सकते हैं. और ये जो एंगल है एंगल QSR, इसको आप एंगल के लेट कर सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो फ्रॉम फिगर z प्लस 65 डिग्री, एंगल z प्लस 65 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज यहाँ भी स्ट्रेट एंगल बन रहा है, STRAI स्ट्रेट एंगल इज देयर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो z इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 65, आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो आई थिंक 115 डिग्री z इज नाउ इन ट्राइंगल। आप देखिए ट्राइंगल RSQ, in triangle RSQ, the sum of three angles, that is Z plus K plus 28 is equal to 180 डिग्री। तो यहाँ भी स्टूडेंट्स आपने एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर दिया इस ट्राइंगल SRQ में। तो Z की वैल्यू है आपका 115 डिग्री, ओके, प्लस K प्लस 28 इज इक्वल टू 180। आप इन दोनों को ऐड करें तो आपका हो जाएगा K प्लस 5 8 13 13 1 3 1 4 आई थिंक 143 इज इक्वल टू 180। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब आप ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो K इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 180 माइनस 143, सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस इट बिकम्स 10 माइनस 3 7, 17 माइनस 14 3, 37 डिग्री। तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आपकी जो वैल्यू आ गई K वो 37 डिग्री है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब आप देखिए K इज इक्वल टू x होगा, बिकॉज बोथ आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर। नाउ x इज इक्वल टू K विच इज इक्वल टू 37 डिग्री। ये क्यों है? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर। तो ये आपका x जो है 37 डिग्री हो गया स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, नाउ हमें x मिल गया 37 डिग्री। तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी विल यूज अगेन ट्राइंगल PQS। तो राइट दिस सॉल्यूशन। तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव इन ट्राइंगल PQS बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी x प्लस वाई प्लस 90 इज इक्वल टू अगेन 180। आप देख रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, ये ट्राइंगल है PQS, इसमें एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे हम। वैल्यू पुट करिए, x की वैल्यू आपको मालूम चल चुका है 37 डिग्री, प्लस y इज अननोन, प्लस दिस इज 90 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180। नाउ तो y प्लस 127 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। नाउ y इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 127 डिग्री। तो y इज इक्वल टू आप थिंक 10 में साथ गया 3 और 17 माइनस 12 53। सो योर आंसर्स आर x इज इक्वल टू 37 डिग्री एंड y इज इक्वल टू स्टूडेंट्स 53 डिग्री। Okay, students, I think we have concluded this exercise, and this is a question, I think remaining question you will solve, and you will make your 4 fair copies, and I hope you will watch full video, and if you have any query you can ask your query through group, WhatsApp group, and students if you like it, so subscribe this channel for new and updated videos, okay, and keep continue your study, and do hard work students for getting success. Till then take care of yourself. Thanks.